Hello, my friends. It is day 30 of the 30-day Cleanse and Restore challenge. So well done, everyone. Woohoo! So we're at the end of our challenge. For those of you in Australia and other places who started later, that's okay. Keep going. All right, so this is an amazing accomplishment. So you should celebrate, go somewhere, do something to celebrate. So today is also my birthday, so I'm going to celebrate the end of the 30-day challenge and my birthday. So that's why I'm dressed up. I just wanted to hear what you are experiencing throughout this challenge. Okay, so if you can comment below, tell me how you're doing. I'm very interested in how the challenge is for you. Have you changed? Have you become a better person? Have you changed on the inside? Okay, we're looking at cleansing our physical body, of course, you know, nicer skin, more energy, clearer thinking. All that is wonderful, and I hope that's happened for you also. But also deep down inside, have you changed? Okay, so I just want to share with you this morning, I had a little bit of a challenge. So I received a text and it was uncomfortable and I felt the energy. So I used my coriander oil so I don't get affected by it and I remember who I am. You know, have integrity for myself because they wanted me to change and do what they want me to do, right? And I felt like, you know, I've been so clear thinking and connected to Heavenly Father that I've been super happy, right? And I need to remain that way. So an idea came to mind that I think this next month in October, we should do a gratitude and joy project. So it's sort of like a challenge, but we will spend the next month talking about how to create more joy and more gratitude in life, because gratitude leads to joy, right? So I felt like that would be a fun thing for us to do, so we can do it together. So I'll have classes on Tuesday nights and on Saturday, my time, on Friday, which is Saturday for Australians, and Wednesdays for Australians as well. So my time is Tuesday and Friday. Okay, so we'll have those classes and we'll talk about how we can create more joy, okay? How we can create more peace, and you know, of course, gratitude has a lot to do with that, all right? So we'll talk about how to make vision boards. So tell me if you think this is a good idea. We'll talk about how to say goodbye and good night to your home, okay? So when you wake up, you know, you have a fresh start, how to begin your day so you can have a good, strong, fresh start. I like to pray, read the scriptures, and you know, doing my exercise and all that. So we'll talk about all that. So one of the evenings we'll make a vision board together. We'll use the different types of essential oils for different things, like an attachment, like honoring self, like connecting to God, like helping us define who we are, because when we haven't defined who we are, we allow others to define who we are. They can, you know, they want us to be who they think we need to be, right? Instead of communicating with us, you know, because they don't know who they are necessarily. So, you know, this is, I think, going to be a fun month. And speaking of October, so October 1st, you'll be able to, do these wellness programs. Okay, so we have 3 wellness programs that you can enroll in. So you put these products on your shopping cart, your LRP, okay, and what you do is you know, pick the ones that you need, so immunity, mood management, or relief, okay, for, you know, muscle aches and pains. And then every month they are going to give you the next kit for that health concern. So you're on a 90-day program. All right, so we'll post more information about that. The wellness programs are going to be really, really popular, I feel, because it's going to help us commit to ourselves and change at the root. Instead of having a quick fix, we'll be able to have something that will help us change on all the levels. Okay, so we'll talk more about that next month. But yeah, I like to share with you the gratitude and the joy project as well. All right, so I have in my hands, and I also in this container, Divana and bergamot mint and Tulsi, holy basil. So amazing, so beautiful. Sometimes I feel like smelling these and it feels like I need to cry, you know. So beautiful, but these oils are only available in the convention kit. So I hope you had an opportunity to get your convention kit. I think it's still available. I purchased another one yesterday and I saw that it's still available. So just so you know, it's still available. They don't have it for regular sales, so just go ahead and get it on the convention kit. You'll save $88 anyways. All right, so recap, congratulations, we've done it. You know, we finished the 30-day cleanse and restore. It should have helped you change and feel better. And to help continue that change, next month, in October, we're going to do the Gratitude and Joy Project. All right, we're going to talk about all the things we can do to help us find happiness and peace, of course, joy, and of course, have an attitude of gratitude. We like to, but sometimes it's so easy for us to complain and see the negative side of things. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this is helpful for you. Please comment below, tell me how you're going, and tell me if this Gratitude and Joy project is something you're interested in as well. Alrighty, I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye for now.